Hello, my name is Costas. I am the Warranty and Training Administrator for Schwartz Industries, and we are starting today to go over the training of the safety for the M6 Avalanche. The M6 Avalanche is a mechanical sweeper that is very, very important to be for the mechanics and the operators and everybody that is actually doing maintenance or inspections on this machine to be safe when they're working around the machine. So to start with, any time that we're working around the machine of course is it's a large piece of machinery. You need to be aware of what kind of protective equipment you need to have on yourself when you're working around the machine. Of course, to start with, we need to be able to have safety shoes. That is the first thing. Of course, the reflective vest, hard hat, safety glasses, and definitely wear gloves when you're working around this machine. There's definitely different and more advanced safety equipment that different companies require. So you're always going to have to refer that to your company to make sure that you are complying with their safety regulations. It is very, very important for everyone working around these machines or actually operating these machines to make sure they understand the meaning of the stickers that they are all over the machine. Of course, in the manual that comes with the machine, on the first 40 pages that has to do with the safety of the machine, everyone should actually make sure that they're going over these 40 pages to understand more and more the meaning of these stickers. We will go over so I can explain to you what the difference is between the warning stickers around this machine. So we're going to start with warnings, okay? Red warning with an exclamation point means that the explaining of this sticker means that there is very, very vital to understand that it can actually cause a very hard injury or actually death. Okay, this particular warning over here says stay clear of the moving lift. The hopper will go up and down with the scissor lift. So therefore, you should never ever be underneath or around this scissor lift when it's actually moving. The same thing here, stay clear of the moving lift. Now these are actually red stickers, as you can see. Right below, of course, we have the stickers that are actually orange in color. Those, of course, they're also hazard stickers. However, they are more important. They're actually important enough to where it can create a very serious injury. Now, there are also stickers that they are yellow, and those stickers are more informative and actually explaining to the operator or the mechanic to be aware of things that actually can cause harm. There are also instructional stickers that they're all over this machine, that those instructional stickers explaining to the operator or to the mechanic of different functions of the machine to be aware of at any time. As you can see, there is a warning sticker right here where it says remove the engine keys anytime that you actually do maintenance or inspection of this sweeper. So this is the keys to the chassis, okay? And these are the keys to the sweeper console. Even though the chassis keys, when the chassis keys are removed from the ignition, there is no power going to the sweeper console. However, it's always advisable and it's very important to have both keys removed anytime that you do maintenance or inspection on this sweeper. Another sticker that is very important in this sweeper is this sticker right here, which is of course a warning sticker. What it's actually saying is that if you do, and from time to time, a lot of companies acquire operators that they do not speak English. So what it says is that if you do have an operator or a mechanic that does not speak English, it's very, very important to make sure that this particular technician or operator to have the understanding in their own language for the contents of the manual of the sweeper. So from time to time, we will have to do inspections or perhaps some service on the machine. So in order to do that, we're going to have to go up with the scissor lift to do so. We will insert the safety props on the machine before we shut it down. So when the safety props, of course, they're installed into the scissor lift, the keys should always be in your pocket. Now we have the opportunity to go in and do any kind of inspection or service on the machine as needed. Now on the side over here, of course, we have a ladder to where you can actually roll it out and go up on the machine safely. Another thing, of course, is we have a switch bank over here, which we call the outside controls. The outside controls, they should actually be activated whenever is needed to do any kind of inspection on the operation of the machine. However, always you have to remember that you should never ever be on the structure when that happens. Always you need to make sure that your feet are on the ground whenever you activate the outside controls. Another very important thing is that you should never ever remove the outside control covers from the assembly. Anytime that you need to replace the outside controls, you're always going to have to make sure that the safety guards are always replaced back the way they're supposed to be. Please do pay attention to the sticker on the top of the stickers on the top of the broom. It says caution, keep off, no step. You should not use the broom when it's up on the opposition to step up on the machine. Also, you need to watch for the warning sticker that it's on the side over here on the broom bracket that it says stay clear when the broom is actually rotating. It's very, very important. It can actually cause a very serious injury. It will be a time to where that you need to do some service on the elevator. You do not want the elevator to go into the hopper. In that situation, of course, whenever you do a service like this, you can actually insert the safety pin into the slot of the conveyor framing over here. That way the conveyor will not go into the hopper for any other kind of purpose. The M6 Avalanche, of course, it has another safety prop that is there for the safety of the operators or the mechanics. That safety prop is run underneath the hopper, and you have to take the wing nut on the right there and allow the safety prop to engage on the frame, so therefore you can actually work underneath the hopper at any time. We have a variety of safety lights with the machines, and as you can see, we have the strobe light on the top of it. We have the dump lights on the right below, and also we have a curb light, which of course those are operational lights when the sweeper goes out to sweep. So we have all the lights flashing in the back. We have the dump lights, the strobe light, and of course the flashing caution lights in the back to caution all the people that are following the machine to make sure that they're keeping the right distance. It is also very important before the machine goes out to operate to make sure that all the lights are operational. So that way the machine is safe to go out to work. The M6 Avalanche is a multi-level, it has a multi-level dumping system. As you can see, the M6 Avalanche can dump in a very, very high, 13, 14 feet up in the air. Therefore, it is very, very important when dumping, you have to be on a level and a sturdy surface so you don't have any issues of tipping over.